focused on you.
2 murder trials began this morning in St. Louis with no shows from prosecutors. It is the latest fallout from a series of resignations inside Kim Gardner's circuit attorney's office. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kelly Jackson. Ann Allred is off today.
And I'm Mike Bush. 5 on your side's Christine Byers spent most of her day at the courthouse downtown, and she witnessed what it's like in court after prosecutors continue to leave. She's live with the latest. Christine.
That's right, Mike. 3 murder trials were supposed to begin this morning at 9 a.m. Only one of them actually did, and another ended with a judge giving Gardner 7 days to explain to him why he shouldn't hold her in contempt of court after no one showed up for that trial, and he wants to know why he shouldn't put her in jail or issue a fine or issue both. Raphael Morris's client has been sitting in jail for 2 years, waiting for his day in court. His trial for the murder of a woman who was taking her 4-day-old baby to the doctor in 2020 was supposed to start Monday.
No one was able to fill in to try this case today, and as a result, my client did not get his day in court.
The judge called Gardner's office to find out if a prosecutor would be coming after no one showed up for the first 30 minutes. She said she, quote, reluctantly granted a continuance.
This is a case where my client is innocent. He has entered a plea of not guilty, and he's looking forward to showing that he was not responsible for these very heinous crimes.
I then went to another courtroom where another man found out he will be behind bars longer after no one from the circuit attorney's office even showed up for his trial. Jonathan Jones is accused of killing a man on the Arch grounds in September of 2021. The judge gave Gardner 1 week to explain why she shouldn't be imprisoned or pay a fine or both for being a no-show in the case and held in contempt of court. The trial for Stanley Barge did begin with jury selection Monday. He is accused of shooting a man before barricading himself in a home in 2022. The prosecutors who showed up on that case Monday just got assigned to it on Friday. Meanwhile, Morris is asking the judge to let his client out on bond, a decision she said would have to wait until Friday to ensure the victims are told what's happening on the case.
It's not justice for my client. It's not justice for the victims. It's not justice for the citizens of St. Louis, who all deserve better.
Now, several judges I talked to also today say they have heard additional prosecutors are leaving the circuit attorney's office, and they've already given notice. They're not sure what's going to happen to those cases either. We've asked Kim Gardner for comment regarding today's developments. She has not responded yet, but I did obtain a statement that was sent out to her people today internally. In it, she says, "I emphatically refute the suggestion that I am throwing my staff under the proverbial bus." Now you can read the rest of that statement on ksdk.com in just a few minutes. Live outside.
Christine, thanks.